may biggest chunk
Okay.
po?
Yung ating NEP, National Expenditure Program, ay tumaas ang budget ng DOST. And in fact, kami ay nagpapasalamat kasi every year tumataas.
May
But
exact figures po kayo.
hindi ko matandaan kung close to 30 billion eh. Kasi before kasi 28 plus lang. No, so around 30 billion. And of course, ang ating major programs would continue. Kasama dyan yung mga nabanggit kong Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, Community Empowerment, ano to? Smart and Sustainable Communities, nakaset na yan dito. Of course, the big bulk of the funding parate ay yung grant and aid na nakafocus tayo sa 8 big programs, no? Artificial Intelligence, Geospatial Analytics, Quantum Computing, Industry 4.0, Smart Agriculture, Smart Technology, Circular Economy, and Biologics and Pharmaceutical. Kasama siyempre dyan yung virology and vaccine. Pero that's only the central office funding. Meron pa rin funding ang PCARD, PSHARED, and PCHRD that are according to their mandate. So, yung ating Harmonized National Research and Development Agenda up to 2028 would continue. Ang nabago lang, siyempre, yung binanggit kong 8. But the big thrust also of the funding will be on the commercialization of the technologies. Kasi nga, we wanted to create wealth out of our research results. So pinapalakas natin yung efforts sa commercialization and matulungan natin ang mga university to really follow that path. Kasi karamihan ng dulo nila is publication lang and patent.